Yeah, man, I'm done tell them, you know. You know, I put them go do. I want the tom boy. So me say, yo, tell them the AK, I'm a double clip up in a it. If you're this brand, this walk up in a it. If you're a dog and a bark up in a it. In a the war, sky not talk up in a it. You can't boom up to it, park up in a it. Who asleep, did have to wake up in a it. Like earthquake, the place here up in a it. I put them go do. Dangerous now back down from them. The whole of the magazine done pan them. Faster than you see and nose. From head to toe, blood start run pan them. Sniper rifle I go turn pan them. So jumping at the bed like we jump on them. The real bad man I go run from them. Just done the magnum pan them. You ever hear about the thunder? Whenever roll it. You ever the pan cricket dealer use people head tap the goal yet. You get cold yet. You ever hear about the half of the story when never been told yet. You dig a hole yet. Rifle shot ever singing at your head like Nat King Cole yet. You brand your hole yet. Try not to get put to know. You ever hear about the hit song? We never play yet. You ever make gunshot give a boy by the full X-ray yet? You start pray yet. You ever make boy shit out them flesh like a egg them a lay yet? In a middle day yet. You ever send boy soul got help to go spend holiday yet? You bill pay yet? On the spot you go get put to them. Dangerous now back down from them. The whole of the magazine done from them. Faster than you see and nose. From head to toe, blood start run from them. Sniper rifle I go turn from them. So jumping at the bed like we jump on them. The real bad man I go run from them. Just done the magnum on them. You ever hear about the lightning? Whenever strike it. You ever ride by and look for boy for and mark bike it. You ever fight it? A man ever put a Glock in your face and turn it in a target? And that you want get? You ever bust gunshot in a boy make that guy market? You kill a dog yet? You ever see a gun 10 times longer than the Concorde yet? You love shotty? Dangerous now go chase like Misty and the one named Claudette. The war start yet? Nobody feels say you can this brand this now baby starlet. You ever stop it? You want bad man make a drive by now and my starlet just like Paulette. Real bad man now go send threats. Dangerous now back down from them. The whole of the magazine done from them. Faster than you see and nose. From head to toe, blood start run from them. Sniper rifle I go turn from them. So jumping at the bed like we jump on them.